is up, guys? This is Lauren and we are at Gatorland checking out a preview of Gators, Ghosts, and Goblins. Let's take a look and see what's going on.
Eligible bachelors might be interested, or if you have any friends or whatnot, but you know, she's not gonna swipe to the left. Like, go ahead. She likes you. Play a game for your immortal soul if you lose. But if you win, you get candy. So that's good, right? Yeah. There you go, thanks. Okay, it's a family show. This way, everyone. You better kill all them bugs. Yeah, get them bugs. You're doing great, Betty. Jungle Croc's area, and guests that come here have to find them. So if you can locate them, take a photo of them, and come back and show Bubba, then you get to become a cryptozoologist. And you get your own cryptozoologist certificate.
That's only for the day, though.
What's that?
It's only for the day you're here.
It expires at the end of the day?
Exactly,
yeah. You'll have to come back the next day, so get an annual pass.
Because more than likely, Betty ain't going to get all the bugs, so you're going to end up getting bit by a spider, and you're going to be here forever.
Oh, yeah. And don't look now, but there's cryptids right behind you, in fact.
Those are man-eating
plants, yeah.
Watch out for them.
And what you see around here are Congolese spiders. But again, once you round that corner, there's even more cryptids.
Hey, don't hit the deck. Don't flood.
Ghosts Monster Museum. Here, we'll learn about classic monsters, but not the movie versions. We're talking about the literature that started it all, the folklore that spawned everyone's imagination. This way. Enter freely and of your own will. So today, for this press event, we're not going to show you everything. Some of the exhibits we've decided to keep under wraps, which we actually got from our mummy. But over here, I'll show you Frankenstein's monster.
Wow.
Created by Mary Shelley, who is considered to be the mother of science fiction. Frankenstein is thought to be the first work of science fiction. Go on, young man, don't be shy. He bites. Oh, I mean, doesn't bite when there's witnesses. There they go. It was by Bram Stoker himself, who is also the author of Dracula. But he gets so much press for Dracula that people don't really talk about his work with the Mummy. So his book was called The Jewel of the Seven Stars. But in 1998, a lost book was found, and it was discovered that Louisa May Alcott, who wrote Little Women, actually wrote the first cursed mummy story. It was called The Mummy's Curse, or Lost in a Pyramid. Yes. Thomas Edison's Frankenstein is playing, so everyone thinks that Universal Pictures' immortal classic was the first Frankenstein story. But little do they know that Thomas Edison actually made.
So some of the food offerings they have here are pumpkin churros and German-inspired mac and cheese with some hot Cheeto dust, and they gave me some Texas Pete on the side. It looks absolutely amazing. So when you get in the gift shop, they do have some merchandise for the event. They got some Halloween candies right over here. Got a little skeleton book, a little character there, flashing pumpkin light, and then also a t-shirt representing the event. Well, that's going to do it here from Gatorland for the Gators, Ghosts, and Goblins event. I had a great time seeing all the spooky and not so spooky stuff in store for this year's event. Thank you, Gatorland, for inviting us out. And as always, if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we'll see you out on the Midway.